Structural heap roof design detail in AutoCAD. We will start with the tie rafter detail. Stud wall, roof framing, ceiling joist, nails to that detail, beam hip, ridge and hip beam connection, beam hip per plan, top plate splice. Here is a top plate splice. So, and also here is a bottom plate splice. 16D sinker nail per schedule below, staggered to a 1/4 inch apart. Locate stud under splice. Under splice. Locate stud under splice. Locate stud under splice, stud under splice. Here is a schedule. Connection detail at cantilever beam. To download these and other details, I will leave a link where you can download the zip. You will download the zip for heap roof, this structural heap roof zip, in my description. So we're going to connection detail at cantilever beam. Ridge beam connection. Ridge beam per plan. Roof rafter per plan. The nails are like that. That could be roof plywood surface with, of course, a water barrier. Sheathing roof sheathing, of course. Then roof rafter, etc. Then at the top is this one. These are ST22 at 44-inch OC roof sheathing, roof rafter. Then there's this here, 835 at each rafter. And see that detail. So all these are blocks. Okay. There is this connection detail for Simpson nail SDWH27500 screw. That is the detail. That is a block. So just insert another block. If you have these DWG, you can just insert these details just like that, because They are just blocks shared, right? Okay. Thanks for watching. Download these and other, including these plans for foundation, the roof. This is the hip roof details, and more on the link down in my description. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.